Welcome to the Auto Pulse Media, your trusted source for the latest automotive updates, honest reviews, and expert insights. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the highly anticipated 2026 ThrottleVibe motorcycle, a machine that's been making waves in the biking community with its fresh design, innovative engineering, and a blend of performance and comfort that aims to set a new benchmark in its category. At first glance, the 2026 ThrottleVibe commands attention with its aggressive stance and futuristic styling. The front profile features a newly designed LED headlamp setup integrated into a sharper, more aerodynamic fairing. The body panels have been sculpted to not only look sleek but also enhance airflow, giving the bike improved stability at high speeds. Its dual-tone color schemes with bold graphics give it a modern edge, appealing strongly to younger riders and enthusiasts looking for a bold statement on the road. Under the hood, the ThrottleVibe packs a punch with its newly engineered 398cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. This powerplant has been tuned to deliver smoother low-end torque and an exhilarating mid-range burst, making it a great companion for both city commuting and highway cruising. The engine produces an impressive 42 horsepower and 35 Nm of torque, paired with a refined 6-speed transmission that now features a slip and assist clutch for smoother downshifts and lighter lever feel. Throttle response has been significantly improved in this model thanks to ride-by-wire technology which replaces the traditional cable throttle. This allows for multiple riding modes, including urban, sport, and eco, each tailoring the power delivery and throttle sensitivity to the rider's preference and riding conditions. This is a segment-first feature that will definitely appeal to tech-savvy riders looking for more control and customization in their ride experience. In terms of ride and handling, the 2026 ThrottleVibe comes equipped with upside-down front forks and a preload adjustable rear monoshock. The suspension setup has been tuned for better stability at high speeds while still providing comfort over potholes and undulations. The chassis has also been revised to be stiffer yet lighter, improving cornering confidence without compromising everyday rideability. Braking duties are handled by dual-channel ABS supported by a 320mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc. The braking performance is sharp and predictable, offering strong bite and feedback which will inspire confidence, especially when riding spiritedly or in emergency braking situations. The tires are now upgraded to radial units, providing better grip and feedback on both wet and dry surfaces. The digital instrument cluster has received a complete overhaul. It now features a full-color TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, call and message alerts, and a customizable interface. Riders can pair their smartphone via the dedicated app to access ride analytics, service reminders, and even a remote diagnostics feature. The cluster is well laid out and remains visible even under direct sunlight, which is a big plus during daytime riding. Another big improvement is in the ergonomics department. The seat height is set at 805 mm, which strikes a balance between accessibility for shorter riders and a commanding riding posture. The footpeg and handlebar positioning have been refined to reduce fatigue during longer rides while still offering an engaging riding position for twisty roads. Fuel efficiency is expected to be in the range of 35 to 40 km per liter, depending on the riding mode and conditions. With a fuel tank capacity of 14 liters, this motorcycle can comfortably cover long distances without frequent refueling stops. This makes it a strong option for those who are planning weekend getaways or even daily intercity commutes. Overall, the 2026 ThrottleVibe presents itself as a complete package for motorcycle enthusiasts who crave performance, advanced features, and comfort in a single machine. It's a smart evolution over its predecessor and shows that the brand is listening to rider feedback while keeping an eye on the future of motorcycling. If you're looking to stay updated with the latest in the world of bikes and cars, make sure to subscribe to Auto Pulse Media.